Hello, good morning, greetings and salutations. I'm out here in the garage. Yesterday I worked diligently on finishing up my cabinet doors, and I've got a good portion of them sanded and ready for paint. I got 5 more to do. And I got some primer here, some Kills primer. I'm going to prime them. And I haven't decided what color I'm going to paint them. I do have, I think I have some leftover paint from when I did the kitchen. Let me see. Let me see. This and that. Yeah. It's kind of a bluish. I think that's part of. No, I think that's the paint from. Let me see. Is that? I have to go look. Let's see this. I got this paint. I think that's the blue from here. Let me see. Maybe. That color blue. And actually that's 2 different colors of blue. Now if that's showing up, that's what that is. Yeah, this is the blue that's in the low spots. And then I did a dry brush technique and used the lighter blue, the turquoise. And that, yeah, that looks nice. I like it. Turquoise. I want to paint one cabinet door and then go hang it and look at it and see if it's something that, if I like it or not. And if I don't, then I might do something different. I want to add some color because it's gray and the ceiling's going to be white. I want a splash of color. Perhaps I can get one of these painted and hung so I can get a look at it and see if it's something I want to continue doing or if I want to stop. Stop. Yeah. Stop jaw jacking and get to work, Rick. Okay. I just opened up this can of turquoise here, and man, I didn't use hardly any of this in that dry brush technique that I did in the kitchen. There's almost an entire quarter color here. So let me pick a couple of cabinet doors to do. Let's see. I also have that red. What do you think about doing turquoise on the upper cabinets and then red on the bottom? Maybe do red, white, and blue for the pantry. I like that idea. Okay, let's do these ones, these little upper cabinets. How come there's a DVD stuck in there? Or a CD? Let's go here. Let me do these cabinets in turquoise. They're stuck together. Hold on. Okay. My bad. Okie dokie, got this stirred up nicely. Put a little bit in my little tray. Oh yeah, that should be good for now. There's my little brooch. Nice. All right. I just noticed too that this paint is bare paint and it's paint and primer in one. So if I decide to use this turquoise on the cabinet doors, I really didn't need to primer everything. Pretty. I like that color for some reason. Let me finish these, and I'll put them out in the sun, let them dry, and we'll come back and put the hinges on them and go install them and see how they look. So far, so good. It looks a little darker on the camera than what I'm actually seeing here, but let's see if I can correct it here. Probably not. Nope. Well, here's my simple hinges. They're just a simple hinge, you know, I don't have the big money like Bussy McBussface has got, so I just, bought a whole bag of those for like $60. And you see me working out all right. So I'm gonna start I'm gonna start painting these things and getting it done. This is the third day this week that I've been working on cabinet doors. Actually, the fourth day. Fourth day this week. It's Thursday today. So I've been working on cabinet doors all week this week. And they're about this close to being done. I still don't know what I'm going to do up here and down there. I think I'm going to make a drawer underneath there. And I'll make some kind of door there. I still need to build my little my idea here. Yeah, that'll be nice. But for right now, I need to finish painting, and I've got about 2 hours. Yeah, about an hour. About an hour. Yeah, almost 2 hours. I got almost 2 hours to get at least the kitchen painted. Enough jaw jacking. I need to start painting.
The next morning.
Well, howdy, friends and neighbors. How you doing this fine morning? Me, fantastic. Thanks for asking. So I sent some pictures off to the wife. She's in Texas visiting her sister. I sent her the 2 pictures of the painted cabinet doors hung on the upper cabinet there. And asked her what she thought. And she said, it looks nice. Go with that. I said, awesome. I said, would you like me to continue this color motif into the master? Sure, she said. So I went ahead and I painted the back of the cabinets, and well, you know what? I ran out of paint. Pro tip from an amateur. If you are particularly fond of a particular color, save the lid. At least at Home Depot and Lowe's, and probably at most places where they sell paint, they put the formula either on the label or on the lid. The lid would be preferred because you can take the lid off and throw that up in a closet or something, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. I didn't realize it was this long ago that I did the kitchen remodel, but it's been 5 years. Wow, 5 years. My oldest was 5 years old. Where's the time gone? Seems like I just did that yesterday. November 10th, 2015 is when I bought this paint. So I'm going to run down to Home Depot, and I'm willing to bet that that paint that they make today in 2020 is going to match this paint that I had made in 2015 swimmingly. So I've been working diligently in here installing the cabinet doors, and also installing the keeps. So there they are. Yeah. And you see how they work here. Yeah. And it takes a little bit of force. I'm going to have to get some pulls. I haven't decided what I'm going to do. But I was down at Home Depot yesterday. Should use gloss. Anyway, I was down to Home Depot yesterday, and I was pricing drawer slides and cabinet pulls. I'm buying my shit on Amazon, man. I'm not spending that kind of cabbage on drawer slides and cabinet pulls. $10 a piece for a cabinet pull and $16 a pair for 20-inch freaking drawer slides. The frick. Here's the pantry. Yeah. Don't look too bad. And there's the upper cabinets. Now I bought 2 of these per, but I don't need 2 per. So, I mean, they work swimmingly without 2. And so I'm gonna do this last one, and maybe I'll open this little thing here and get some ventilation going. There we go. Oh, it's some light. Goodness, look at that. So anyway, that's all I got for today. If you like my cabinet door, smash the like button and share it with your vast social media network. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, click that little bell icon that's right next to the sub button. That way, YouTube will let you know the next time I upload a video. You don't want to miss any of this. Check the links in the description for items that I use in these videos. If you want to support this channel, that's one of the best ways you can do that. Buy stuff on Amazon through those links in the description, or you can donate via PayPal, or you can become a patron. Click any of those links and check them out, see if that's something you might be interested in. And if you can afford to do that, I'd be eternally grateful, and you certainly would be helping finance some of these projects, and I would be most appreciative. And if you can't afford to do that, then it probably just means that we're related or something. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.